What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have another cleaning video for you guys. I am actually preparing for guests on this day, and then I'm also doing it super fast because they were coming that afternoon. They were driving in, so some ways that I'm cleaning today isn't exactly how I typically clean because I was in a hurry. I'm just being real and honest with you guys. So right now I am just cleaning my coffee station area and just wiping it down with the Clorox wipes just to do a quick clean on like the key rig and stuff like that. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love it if you would check out my cleaning playlist down below in the description box. You can get a lot of cleaning motivation there, and hopefully consider subscribing to my channel. So right now I am using the peppermint scent of Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner, and I'm using these microfiber towels. I actually use these towels regularly. I absolutely love them, and I got them from Amazon, and I actually have them linked in my description box in my Amazon favorites if you wanted to check them out. Meditation through the yoga lesson. So I did just get my new order of the pomegranate set from Grove Collaborative. I got a hand soap, a candle, all kinds of goodies, and I'm really excited about it. It smells really good, and the packaging is just so beautiful for the holidays. So right now I am just cleaning out my refrigerator because I wanted it, you know, all the leftovers and foods that we have in there, I wanted that cleared out, and I'm gonna do a quick wipe down. So I do have a video that shows exactly how I clean my refrigerator. I've done that a couple times on my channel, and I usually take everything out and deep clean it that way. But right now I'm just going in with the wipes and kind of doing a touch up, cleaning up anything that I see and taking out old food. If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright, even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, leaving tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine, got no money on my mind. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and put the dirty dishes into my dishwasher, and I'm going to go ahead and run that. So I am using my essential oils. I like to put orange and grapefruit in there. It just smells so amazing, and it kind of brightens up my mood. If you guys want a link to where I got these this set, I will put that down in the description box. So I was actually asked recently if I pet my dog, and when I am cleaning, I am not petting Remy or doing anything else. I am really focused when I do any kind of work or a task. I usually like to get it done in like not do anything else until it's complete. So I am not stopping and like petting Remy or hanging out with any of the kids actually until I am done with my task. But I absolutely pet my dog. Me and him are actually really close. So So right now I'm going to go ahead and clean my bathroom. It's really hard to clean this bathroom. It's so tiny. This is our downstairs guest bathroom, and right now I just put the Method toilet bowl cleaner into the toilet so it can kind of soak for a few minutes while I do other things. And now I'm going to go ahead and clean the mirror with the Method. I actually really like this Method product. I know a lot of people say it smears, but with my microfiber towels and this product, it's probably the better glass cleaner than I've ever used. So I continue to use it. And then I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick clean with the wipes again. They've just been a savior today because I need to get stuff done. So I know I'm going to be asked, but I did start using that toilet bowl cleaner again. I think it was like the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. And I started using that again. It's a reusable one, and I just bought like the new little refills. So I have that one for downstairs, and then upstairs I just use my normal ones in the 2 bathrooms upstairs. So then I kind of have a toilet bowl cleaner for every bathroom and just utilize it since I've owned it for like a year, and it's just been sitting in the house because I didn't quite like it at first. But I'm using it now, and it's working just fine. Anyway, so this is the comment of the day. You guys don't forget to check for that at the end of every video. I've been doing it probably for about 6 weeks now, where I stick a random comment that you guys left in my previous video at the end of every video. So I know some of you guys might have not noticed, but you're in my video. And so look out for that. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope you guys got some extra cleaning motivation for the rest of your week. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Stay tuned for my news that will be up tomorrow or the day after. And I love you guys so much. Please give me a like if you guys like this video, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. I would love to have you, and I will see you all soon. Bye.